Everybody. So here's an updated video of my toy gun collection. I actually gave a couple of my toy guns away, which one was my MP5 and one was a 12 gauge shotgun. I gave them both to my cousin Little Russ. But yeah, I do have a cap gun here. And before you ask me, it is not real. My friend just took the orange cap off of it, and he's 7. But yeah. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this. This is just an updated video. I have a toy crossbow, but I'm not going to show it in this video. So, get ready to see my toy gun collection. So yeah, and that gun right there with the orange on it, yeah, it's a cap gun. But yeah, my friend took the orange cap off of it. Hang on, let me get it open. See, it's a cap gun. And here's like a generic brand for Nerf guns. I bought this one with my own money. See? Let me. Hang on, I'm trying to give you guys. Yeah, give you down the sights. And one other awesome thing about this gun is you can remove the stock. Gosh dang it. And you store four darts in here. And here's the darts it takes. If you get one of these, it comes with 6 of these little darts. See? It's kind of a... All you do is simply just slide it in. And how you go about loading this. And you can also remove the scope. I'll show you that here in a bit. Is you have this down like that. You see that little orange thing? That's where you put the dart in. That's... See? See? If you want to blast the darts, you put this pump back, and then you let it go like that. Now watch. There you go. So yeah, that's... And I actually got this one at Dollar General. And next I'm going to show another gun I got at Dollar General. It's this thing. It's actually broken, but it comes with... It costs $5. It comes with some of these little shell casings. Hang on. Let me try to see if I can find one. Gosh dang it. Gosh dang it, man. Here's another bullet for my shotgun, yeah. It can't be on here too long because my phone battery probably dies soon. But I know I had one. Okay. Oh no. Oh, gosh dang it. Hang on, I think I found one. Oh, nope. Oh, here's one. See? You can actually remove this clip too. Hang on, let me get up here. There we go. Alright, now. But yeah, I accidentally, see, look. I broke this trigger. Tricky part about it, if you have a broken trigger, is getting it to go back. See, watch. Sometimes it's tricky. But yeah, look, you press this little button right here, and you pull the clip out. Cool feature about toy guns. And see, you can load this little plastic shell casings in there, like so. Okay. Okay. Now, we're going to move on to the next one, which is going to be another pistol, and then I'm going to... So yeah, I bought this one, this one, this one, this one in Kentucky with my own money, and pretty much these 5 guns right here I bought with my own money. I bought these 2 at Dollar General, bought these 2 at the dollar store, and my mom's sister bought these 2 at the dollar store in Middletown. My little sister and my mom bought me this one down at the dollar store in Trenton, down the street from my house. Yeah, it don't do nothing special. See, can't move a hammer, can't pull a slide back in. There's not a removable clip, but it does make this sound. It's got accurate sights on it too. Yeah, it makes this sound. It just makes blasting sounds. And yeah, don't really do nothing special. Next up is the Nerf Proton. And this is the one that shoots discs. I lost some of them. Hang on. Pretty sure y'all know about this one, since kids these days are into Nerf guns. And I used to push the slide like this, so I found this little thing right here. These 2 little buttons that do this. And the one on the other side pretty much does the same thing. See? It's basically what you do, pretty sure you all know, is you open it. This came with 3 discs. Put the disc in, load it, and then pull the trigger. Let's see where that went. Oh, fudge. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna bother finding it. And if you have a disc in this thing, you can push this button right here, point the gun, push it all the way until you can't push no more, and then have the gun like this, and you can eject it. So yeah, and the last one is the Maverick Rev 6. This came with 6 darts, but I only have, hang on, 1, 2, 3. I only have 3, but yeah, there's another bullet right here. 4, 5, and I can't find the 6th one. One of them is missing a blue thing. Well, anyway, so yeah, pretty sure y'all know how to work this one. See? Hang on. There you go. see y'all. There you all go. If I get any more toy guns, I'll update. I'll get up to date on you about that. Oh, there is one more. And I left my black and gray P99 at my grandma's house. And this is like a 9mm. My little 6-year-old cousin broke it. So yeah. Yeah, and I duct taped this because the little battery thing wouldn't stay on, although I screwed it in. So yeah. Little comfortable grip. Yeah, and the slide goes forward. So, there you go. That's a overall update on my toy gun collection. See you all next time with another amazing video. Bye.